tornado warning.
Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a tornado warning for Central Montgomery County in Central Maryland, Southern Howard County in Central Maryland until 4:15 p.m. At 3:41 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was near North Potomac or near Gaithersburg and was moving east at 45 miles per hour. Locations impacted include Rockville, Aspen Hill, Olney, Colesville, Fairland. Take cover now. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building and avoid windows. If outdoors or in a mobile home or vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Motorists should not take shelter under highway overpasses. As a last resort, either park and stay in your vehicle or abandon your vehicle and lay flat in a low spot. This tornado may be wrapped in rain and hard to see. Take cover now. The severe thunderstorm